Hi, everyone. This is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you're wondering what are the best herbs that you can use for manifestation, you landed on the right video. Today, I'm going to give you a very quick video on the top 5 herbs that I would use that I think you should have in your home for your manifestations. Now, listen, I'll give you a little extra tips on what they're used for, but mainly the 5 top herbs, and I will give you some extra bonuses. But the only thing I'm asking you to do is to keep watching the video. And if you do like it, don't forget to like, subscribe, tap the bell for more videos. Now, let's get to the top 5 herbs that you should have in your home at this moment to do any of your rituals. I'm back. So now, what is the first herb that I would say that you must have in your house if you're dealing with making sachet bags, writing on them, using them for your candle magic, whatever it is you're trying to do. Maybe you're carrying them around in your pocket. And the first one would be a bay leaf, you guys. Listen, why a bay leaf? Bay leaves is known for its magic. It's used in feng shui for magic, sending out that intention. So whether you're writing on a bay leaf, placing it under your pillow in your wallet, maybe you're even using it to dress a candle. Bay leaves are basically number one when it comes down to herbs and spices. Now, when we're talking about herbs, a lot of times when it comes down to feng shui or magic, we always put seeds, nuts, herbs, spices, all in the same grouping, okay? So now, bay leaf should be in your home if you're engaging in any of these things, especially writing. Get a whole dry bay leaf and keep it in your house. It should last a long time unless you're sending out a million messages, okay? So now the next thing that I would suggest that you have in your home for your spiritual needs and manifestations, and listen, this is a must and you probably already have it, and that is sea salt, you guys. Listen, if you watch my channel, you already know that I do a lot of videos using sea salt. Now, why sea salt? Sea salt has 2 different properties. Like the bay leaves, it's good for manifesting abundance, money, okay? Any type of magic that you're doing. But sea salt also is a protector, okay? At the same time, it cleanses your aura, your energy. So you can basically place sea salt around the house or take a sea salt bath to relieve or to remove that negative energy. Now, if you believe in feng shui, a lot of people work with sea salt. Now, when it comes down to your candle magic or anything, you don't put sea salt on the candle. It just doesn't work. But sometimes you can sprinkle the sea salt around the candle, okay, on the outside, on a plate, to help remove the negative energy, okay? And when you remove negative energy, you're bringing in positive energy. So sea salt would be on my list as one of my top 3. Now, what would be my third herb that I would say you must have in your home for manifestation purposes? And that would be cinnamon, you guys. Aha, cinnamon. Everyone that is a follower of my channel should have cinnamon in their house at this time, okay? If you've been watching my videos. Cinnamon, ground cinnamon, is powerful for the first of the month. You can blow cinnamon in your home. You can wash your hands with cinnamon. You can actually dress your candles with cinnamon before you light it. Cinnamon is used for abundance, you guys, for bringing in money, for bringing in abundance in all different ways. So when people are doing money rituals, most of the time, cinnamon is involved. Now, when it comes down to cinnamon, cinnamon can be used in so many different ways, just like all the other herbs I'm talking about here. You can use cinnamon chips. If you plan to sprinkle cinnamon in your bag, I wouldn't sprinkle powder because it'll make a mess, especially if you have an expensive bag, you guys. I would use cinnamon chips or cinnamon sticks and place that in my bag. But I always say, set the intention of what you want the herb to do by holding it in your hand, saying a prayer, visualizing whatever you want, and then placing it in your wallet or wherever. You can also use these things in a sachet bag where you make up your own little bag and place these different things in there. So now cinnamon, bay leaves, and sea salt is at my top list. It's basically my top 3. And at this moment, you guys probably already have it in your home. My number 4 is another money drawing item. and that is allspice, you guys. Okay, allspice is another item that I would say is great for attracting abundance. Some people place allspice again on their money attracting candles. They might put allspice in their wallets or their bags. People place it in their pocket before they go to the casino. There's so many things you can do with allspice, but look it up. Allspice is my number 4 on my list. Okay, when it comes down to money manifestation, we're looking at bay leaves, we're looking at cinnamon, we're looking at allspice. Okay, so listen, what is my number 5? My number 5, you guys, and it's a given, and that is basil. Basil, everyone. Basil is another herb that is known for attracting abundance, money. This is another herb that I would use to dress a candle. Okay. And if you want to know how to dress a candle, please go to my playlist where I'm speaking on candles and divination, and then you'll see how you can dress a candle. Because I do have a candle dressing video if you want to learn how to do those things. Basil is something most people place on the top of their candles. Why? It is known as an attractor for abundance. Okay. Whether you're talking about a house, a car, money, whatever. A lot of people also place this in a money jar or a sachet bag where they carry it around with them all day. Now, as a bonus, because you guys know I love throwing in extra bonuses. One of the things that I would say every one of you guys should have and keep it on you, even if you're not using it all the time. And that would be sage, everyone. Why sage? Sage, to me, besides sea salt, is one of the things that clears your atmosphere, clears your energy, everyone, clears the energy that's in your home. And if you know what, if you understand what I'm saying, a lot of times we pick up people's energy and we bring it with us. And this energy affects how we manifest the abundance coming in. Have you ever wanted something and told somebody about it and all of a sudden it was going well and it just went bad? Listen, I tell people to keep your business to yourself. Why? Because you can pick up that person's energy. Maybe they're not happy for you, whatever it is, and you can pick this energy up. Sage is the best thing to have. You sage your home, you're in it, you're cleansing not only yourself, but you're cleansing your home and the people in it. Because a lot of times, that people that are causing all the negative energy lives right in your house. So sage will be on my list as something that I would have and periodically go through my house, maybe every 6 months or once a year at the beginning of the year, or maybe for my birthday, and go and sage your house to bring in that positive energy. I might even take a sea salt bath, to cleanse my energy even further. Okay. So listen, you guys, I'm throwing in all these extra tips for you so that you can get what I'm saying. For those people that are into spirituality, divination, or they want to learn about astral projection or psychic abilities or mediumship or making a dream pillow, this is a must to have in that bag or in that money jar or under your pillow. Listen, mugwort is, I would say, it's tough when it comes down to that. If you're looking to expand your knowledge or your experience with out-of-body experiences or tarot card readings or your psychic ability, opening up your third eye, this would be the herb that I would use. If I'm making a dream pillow, absolutely, this is what I would use. And I might also use a little lavender in it to help with it. So these are the things that I would have in my home if you're starting off using herbal magic. So again, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, always giving you information to change your life. Okay? Again, join me right here live every Sunday for My World of Metaphysics Sunday live stream. And if you want any of these products, please look in the description, go to the store. Everything is there. And namaste.